Ach wonan wagiv, byak pilnavan pyats. One weaves the mat and another one holds out a reed to him. This proverb is quoted at the moment when unnecessary help is received and literally means that the mat weaver could do much better working alone. Ach wonan wagiv, byak pilnavan pyats. Ach vukur beyatrakur. One, you are unsuccessful in your work, and secondly, you are proud. This proverb is quoted at the moment when someone is proud without any reason. Ach vukur beyatrakur. Akha gomut yire te vire mangantang. Someone is so confused that they are looking for pears on a willow tree. This proverb is used at the moment when someone is perplexed and does not act with prudence. Akha gomut yire te vire mangantang. Akha khot hasis te byakha khasan dose. One is sitting on an elephant and another one is trying to scale the boundary wall. This proverb is quoted at the moment when comparing rich with poor. Akha khot hasis to byakha khasan dose. Akha listan to sasa mertan. Let one man live for the sake of 1,000 or more lives. This proverb is quoted at the moment when one man is trying to make his riches at the cost of others. Akha listan to sasa mertan.